now that you've finished camping with our amazing trailer, I'm going to show you how to pack it up. Okay, first thing to do before packing up the tent is you need to get rid of the awning poles up into the awning. Loosen the awning strap and walk it around. You take the awning and you roll it up like a tight sausage. When you get it up into place, you keep it in its place with the nice big Velcro straps. 1, 2, 3. And then zip the bag closed. Once the awning's packed away, it's time to pack the kitchen away. Dry up frame in the nose cone, wash up basin in the nose cone, tap. We need to switch off the water pump first. Make sure it's off before you unplug the pipe, and pick up the tap. Be careful, there's still water in this pipe. Make sure you empty it by opening the tap here. Stow it underneath the gas stove. This little frame has got a cantilever in it, so you fold it up, shorten his leg, pack him away, clip, clip. 20-volt plug and clips, and you can put him away in the nose cone. Before you pack up the kitchen, you can switch off all accessory switches. Leave your fridge on. Obviously you don't want the fridge to go off. You can switch the cabin lights off and close the door, and that is your kitchen packed away. Okay, now it's time to pack away the rooftop tent. First thing that you must undo is the spring poles. You take them up and out. Once you have them out, you can put them away. That's underneath. I've got a little receptacle in the back here. Goes in there, and then clips itself in there. Clips itself in there. Okay, spring poles are out. Close the base of the tent. And pull the roof down. And latch it closed. The last thing you have to do when you're ready to go and the rooftop tent and the awning has been packed away is to pack away the stabilizing legs at the back of the trailer. So firstly, you lift them up to a point where they're as high up as they can get to. And then when it goes in there, then to pack them away, you do it in the reverse order of the way that you unpack them. So left hand side goes up first, pull the tab, fold it up, and then the right hand side, pull the tab and fold it up. And that's how you fold the legs away. If you put the locks on like this, you'll make sure that everything will be where you left it. And that's how you pack up the Mission Lite trailer. If you guys have any questions with the setup and breakdown of this trailer, please let us know on our website through our inquiry form, and we can gladly let you know. Thanks for watching.